Hey guys, let's quickly review multiplying decimals. I have the steps written down that we used during the school year. I'm going to use the problem 1 and 26 hundredths times 3 and 4 tenths to go through these steps with us together. So it says step 1, line up the digits against the line. So I'm going to take and draw a line first. And I'm going to line my digits up against it. Remember, when we multiply decimals, we do not line the decimals up. That's why I'm lining them up against this line. Step 2 says to multiply as usual and ignore the decimals. So I'm going to do 6 times 4 is 24. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Remember, when I start row 2, I'm starting with the placeholder here. 3 times 6 is 18. Put your 8. Carry the 1. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. 3 times 1 is 3. Now I'm going to add. All right. Step 3 says count place values from the line to the decimal point. So from the line to the decimal point, I have 1, 2 place values. I'm going to write that here. From the line to the decimal point, I have 1 place value. I'm then going to add up those place values and circle it with encircle total number that I have. Sorry, that's what step 3 was. Count the place values from the line to the decimal point. Okay. Now step 4 is move the decimal from the line the number of places in the circle. I have 3 place values in my problem, so I'm going to move my decimal place 3 places in my product. Starting at the line, I'm going 1, 2, 3. So the answer to 1.26 times 3.4 equals 4.284. 4 and 284 thousandths. Let's do one more problem together. Let's do $24.5 times 2.6. Remember, step 1 is to draw my line and line my digits up against the line. Step 2 says multiply as usual and ignore the decimal places. Okay. Step 3 is count place values from the line to the decimal point in both numbers. So from here to the decimal point, I have 1. From the line to the decimal point, I have 1 here. If I add both those up together, I'm getting 2. Step 4 says to move the decimal from the line the number of places in the circle. So starting here, 1, 2 places. So this would equal 63.70. I'm going to go back to the notes page just in case you need to pause the video and write these down. I am going to add the words in both numbers here. So if you want to pause the video and write these notes down, you may. Okay, guys, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. And we miss you so much.